All right, got another hobby box. Searching for another Bedard Young Guns. And the Bedard Young Guns has definitely dropped in price a bit over the past few months. Looks like you can pick up a PSA 10 for around $1,000 right now. And I'm still undecided on what to do with mine. I don't have it up for sale yet, so we'll see. But if I do end up selling it, I'll definitely update on the channel. And I think this box cost around $400, 400 Canadian, all in after taxes. And I think it was purchased from Mirage Trading. Though currently, in early July, Klutz and Chara have a sale on right now. Series 2 hobby box are $2.99, so really you can't lose at that price. And I guess not a bad deal considering extended series is almost $2.30 a box. And no sponsor affiliation. But both companies offer good service, so worth checking out. But let's get back to today's box. Let's see if we can find the gold outburst. Where is that? But I'll take a red or a silver outburst. Any one of those hits would be sweet. All right, let's do this. All right, here we go. Connor Bedard, let's find you in here. Well, we're starting off with Josh Brown, Director of Boards. And, oh, sweet. Oh, black and white canvas, Kucherov. And Cole McWard. He was supposed to start the season off playing with Quinn Hughes. We got McKinnon PCs. Oh, Zach Benson. Now this is a good one. Nice. He's looking good. Not Bedard. Doesn't pay for the box, but still pretty good. And, oh, sweet, Kucherov, regular canvas. So, sweet pair. All right, hopefully Bedard and Benson go in the same box. Nothing gold. Got Ecliptic Pasternak. Deep Roots, Roman Yossi. And, no, not Bedard. We got Nazem Kadri. Oh, let's slow roll this silver one too. We'll leave this one till the end. So I got a feeling this is a Bedard Young Guns. Well, we got UC Saros, Instinctive. Got Forsberg, Canvas, and Yuri Patera, Superstar Honor Roll. All right, last pack for the first half of the box. We've got PCs, Larkin. Oh, we got Chris Letang, Deep Roots, and Maxim Gwinnett. Damn, Maxim Gwinnett, Young Guns. I kind of had like a Bedard feeling with, but nope. All right, first half of the box done. One possible Bedard silver outburst to go though, and then 6 more packs. So let's do this. All right, let's do this. Oh, got Instinctive, Vasilevsky, Leon, Deep Roots, and Luke Evangelista. All right, here we go. Might be a Young Guns in here. Oh, sweet. Kuzmenko, Wyatt Johnson. Tanner Jeannot, Director of Boards. And we got Damien Giroux. Jeez, Damien Giroux Young Guns. And Jake DeBrusk. All right, let's take a quick break and switch up the luck. And so keep an eye out for an upcoming video where I'm going to look at some more Bedard sales for his latest cards. Because there's a bunch of new stuff that's out. And a lot of pretty nice cards. And a lot of them are selling for 10 grand or more. So be on the lookout for that video coming sometime soon. And speaking of $10,000 cards, let's continue this rip and see if we can find one. All right, come on, Connor Bedard. How about Red Outburst, huh? No. Monster Season McDavid. Oh, 2 goals and 2 assists. Oh, finally something to actually celebrate. 4 points. And we've got Clayton Keller. Ecliptic. Oh, maybe a chance at a Bedard here. And it is Brady Tkachuk. Wah, wah. All right, here we go. Final 3 before we check out the Silver Outburst. What's that? Something funny colored? Oh, this is sweet. Oh, Slavkovsky highlighters. Oh, nice one. Can't complain about highlighters. Slavkovsky. Actually looking pretty good now. Scoring in his last handful of games. Yeah, that's a pretty sweet one. We got instinctive Logan Thompson. And we got Shep. Hunter Shepherd. Looking for some shepherd's pie. Stuart Skinner again. Got Michael Pizzetta, Director of Boards. And we got Granny Canvas. And Milos Kellerman. Superstar Honor Roll. All right, here we go. Last pack before we check out the Bedard Silver Outburst. We got Clayton Keller Dazzlers. Got probably like PCs behind it. We got PCs, Philip Forsberg, and Tristan Leno. Uncle Tristan. Tristan Leno Young Guns. All right, drum roll. We see something silver. Is it a Young Guns? Let's see. Let's get this stuff out of the way. We got Connor Hellebuck, Instinctive. And then who is this? Is it a Bedard? No, it is Ty Dellandrea. Oh well, still nice to hit one of these ones. Brutal. And then in behind is Ryan Shea. Ryan Shea, Young Guns. Okay, how brutal was that? Definitely jock rocked on this one for sure. Double jock rock. Zach Benson is a nice hit. And the Slavkovsky highlighter, I guess that's decent as well. But at $400 a box, it's obviously Bedard or bust. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.